Okay, so I've just worn my helmet and I'll just wear the gloves. Sometimes these gloves are kind of complicated, right? So, ladies and gentlemen, how is everyone and how is everyone doing? Hopefully you guys are doing good. And welcome back to Fuzz Rides. And you will see a lot of content now from me. So, bye bye BMW. And I'm not gonna show you. So you can see a little bit of it. But I need to tease you, right? So I'm not gonna show you. There is Burj Al Arab, and let's start this vlog. And I got the helmets and the gloves. Finally, welcome back to Fuzz Rides, and I'm actually riding again. So yeah, it's a good. It's going to be a good experience, by the way, and I'm going to share everything for you. And the bike is right in front of me. I'm gonna show it to you guys. Wait. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the time when I'm gonna show you my bike. So it's going to be a bike reveal. Ta-da! And this is ZX14R. So about this bike, this has around about 200 brake horsepower. And it's a beast. It's literally a beast. And this is what I'm going to ride for some time at least. And this is how it looks like. Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. She looks gorgeous, isn't it? So this is how she looks like as of now. And she rides pretty well. And she has got ample amount of torque. A little bit of low fuel economy, of course. I cannot compare the fuel economy at all. But then, well, it's really a beautiful bike. I'm yet to register the bike, so it's going to take some time for me to get the bike registered. And this is my beast, in simple terms. This is how she looks like. Whoa, she looks so hot. Whoa, I really love this. I really love this color. And this is ZX14R, and this man cannot stop staring at the bike. Well, please go. Stop watching. Thank you so much. So this is ZX14R, the beast from the Middle East. Okay, it's not from the Middle East, but it is actually from Japan. So this bike is a response from Kawasaki, as you guys know. So let's just take her out for a spin. I just bought her, like literally, like 10 minutes ago. And I really wanted to share my experience overall. And she has a extra fan as well. And she is actually a beast. So this is the fan. I'll just turn it on. And yeah, I got the gloves as well here. She is hot and she is fast. You can cross. Ooh, she's flickable too. I'm loving her. So guys, this is the new addition into my kit of motorcycles so far. I'm yet to ride Harleys, a lot of Harleys. In fact, the last Harley I had, if you guys remember, was a 750 in India. And oh my god, I'm just in love with this girl. She is super hot. Oh, I can't express my feelings. And I can't stop smiling. I just can't stop smiling. Oh man. I know, this is like a dream come true for a lot of people, especially a lot of men. And yeah, it does not have a slipper clutch. Oh. Okay, no worries, I can get one. That is not a problem. So yeah, guys, now you are going to see a lot of vlogs on me doing rides on this beast. And she really is a very powerful beast. Thank you. Okay, I should not exceed the speed limit. I am yet to get a registration done. So this is right next to the motorcycle showroom, so